Welcome back. It's time for From Junk Food to Joy Food. And today I'm whipping up two tasty treats, Berry Ice Pops and Rocky Road ice cream cones. Each one is a cinch to make and will leave you feeling energized and healthy. So let's get started. Ice Pops are up first. Many store-bought pops are made with added sugar and artificial colors, but my Joy Food version is just 45 calories, made with pure produce, and I even toss a secret green ingredient into the mix. Take one ripe banana, and we're gonna toss it in a blender, so you already know that these pops are loaded with potassium. The riper the banana, the sweeter your pops are gonna be. That's a great trick to cut back on added sugar. Add 1.5 cups of blueberries, and you can use fresh or frozen. Half a cup of strawberries that are busting with vitamin C. 1 cup or 1 loose handful of my sneaky green ingredient, and these are baby spinach leaves. I promise you, nobody is going to notice a thing. And last but not least, I am adding 1/2 cup of 1% low-fat milk, and this is A2, one of our sponsors. It's dairy milk from cows that produce only A2 proteins. And now we're just gonna blend this up. Pour them in little glasses, and certainly you can use ice pop molds too. Take little squares of tinfoil and cover all of the cups. Take sticks, pop it right in there. And now we're gonna set them in the freezer. Here's a batch that I made earlier. Warm them up a little bit, twist, and then pop out of the cup. How cute are these? So let's compare. The junk food ice pops are 65 calories and made with lots of added sugar and artificial color. My Joy Food berry pops are just 45 calories, don't have a drop of added sugar, and you get 2 grams of fiber to boot. Refreshing, sweet, delicious. I taste all the yummy fruit flavors without a hint of the spinach. Make these today and see if anybody notices the green surprise.